Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 3 minus 3 times 3 plus 3. So 3 minus 3 gives us 0, and 0 times 3 gives us 0. Now 0 plus 3 gives us 3. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than this addition and then this subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Now we have 3 minus 9 plus 3. And as we know, addition and subtraction are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. So 3 minus 9 gives us negative 6. And negative 6 plus 3 gives us negative 3. The final answer is negative 3. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.